those are the stocks that I'm watching. Now, what am I looking at for, rollover potential? Like what would concern me as far as some rollovers? First and foremost, we had a break last week in the IYR. There's a nice little high base and a breakout, the IYR. The very next day, it almost gave it all back. It's now come back up, and it's trading very close to the highs there which it broke out of. It is of my opinion that in order to see any sort of sustained weakness in this tape, we're going to have to see bullish patterns turned bearish, okay? Until we see that, I'm going to be cautious, but I'm not going to be aggressively short until we start to see, again, bullish patterns turned bearish. And I think what will happen is for sustained weakness to set in, we'll see that over and over and over again. And the reason for that is it'll suck bulls in, and then they'll get hit, and so on and so forth. I don't know where we are in that stage. Maybe it's still months or years off. Maybe we just go straight up to the moon. I don't know. But I'm watching it for cues. IYR broke out last week, gave it back, and then had a confirmation break. Right now, it's still very attractive. It's still technically bullish. I want to see, in the event that this were to fall over and lose this breakout level, that would be a cue for me. Sorry, let me go back to the chart. That would be a cue for me that we could have bullish patterns turned bearish. The other one that I want you to bring to your attention is the transports. Take a look at the IYT. This is the same thing. It had a high base. It broke out on Friday. It's continuing that break today, up a whopping 11 pennies, but it is nonetheless holding that break. In the event this were to give that break back, and again we saw bullish break turned bearish reversal, that's what would start to really say, okay, caution, maybe start looking for some shorts here.